Scoops are human-verified business insights that inform the timing of your outreach. Sourced from ZoomInfo's in-house research team, scoops are gathered from surveys, news articles, job postings, press releases, along with many other resources. These actionable insights can guide you with your outreach efforts and help you time that email or call for the perfect moment when your prospect is actively in need of your solution, putting you ahead of the competition. In this video, we'll cover where to find scoops in ZoomInfo, how to build a search with scoops in mind, and how to be alerted of new scoops in your target market. Scoops can be found in multiple places within ZoomInfo. You can find scoops in company profiles, in the ZoomInfo Copilot feed, and advanced search, which will be the main place you utilize scoops. However, to start using scoops, you need to have an objective. Scoops can present a lot of information to you, but unless you're looking for specific compelling events that help you with your prospecting, then you will be lost in the noise. Less is more. So, we need to start by defining our target market. Let's say we work for Adobe, and we're trying to sell software licenses for Adobe Creative Cloud. We want to know which companies are hiring for creative roles, which could indicate a need for software licenses. We'll go to Advanced Search and filter for companies in the multimedia and graphic design industry, and use a keyword specifically for the motion design industry to focus on that segment. After filtering, we have about 577 companies that represent our total addressable market. However, this is still way too many companies to target. This is where scoops come in. We'll scroll down through our filters and find the Scoops filter under Sales Signals. Within Scoops, you have access to 6 different drop-downs, and each one helps you become highly targeted depending on your use case. You can filter by data range, keyword, scoop type, scoop topic, scoop department, and updated scoops. The main one to consider in this group is scoop type. This is where we'll find our scoop categories. Here we have financial scoops, general business scoops, opportunity scoops, person news scoops, and finally, personnel scoops. Again, there's a lot of options here, and what you actually use will be dependent on your objective. You need to know what type of compelling event would signal interest for your solution. We're trying to find multimedia and design companies that need Creative Cloud licenses. If we find companies actively hiring in their creative departments, that would be an indicator of buying interest. In this case, personnel scoops will be best. Click Personnel Scoops and select Hiring Plans. Our search was reduced from 500+ companies to only 4, reducing the noise and focusing on who's truly interested. To see scoops, click on the Scoops tab next to the Companies tab. Here you're presented with human-verified scoops, so you can understand why this company is appearing in your search. In this view, we see the date, the company name, description, and the topic it was flagged under. Our first result is for Design Pickle, and the description specifically says they're interested in hiring people who know the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. Now we know who to prioritize in our outreach. Now that the filters are set up and we're getting the targeted insights we need, let's save our settings. If you click Save and Subscribe in the top right corner, we can name this search, give it a description, and turn on alert notifications. This way, if there's ever any new companies that show scoops for hiring plans, we'll be notified immediately, saving us time searching for the same scoops and giving us an upper hand in outreach timing. In summary, to time your outreach effectively with scoops, you need to first filter for your target market. Then utilize your specific scoop filters for your use case with a certain compelling event in mind. And lastly, save and subscribe for scoop updates in your target market.